So hello everyone, welcome back to my channel on Make-onish again. আমি ইশমা বলছি। সো আজকের মেকআপ লুকটা তোমরা দেখতেই পাচ্ছ, অনেক বেশি গ্ল্যামারাস হয়েছে। আমার নিজেরই খুব ভালো লাগছে। আমার ফোন বারবার সিগন্যাল দিচ্ছে যে ইনসাফিশিয়েন্ট স্পেস। আমি আজকে খুবই একটা ইনকমপ্লিট একটা ভিডিও আপলোড করতে যাচ্ছি আজকে, বিকজ আমি পুরোটা ভিডিও করার পর যখন আমার গ্যালারিতে ঢুকি আমি দেখতে পারি যে আমার হাফ অফ দ্য ভিডিও ইজ গন, মানে ইট ওয়াজন্ট ইভেন রেকর্ডেড বিকজ ইট ডিডন্ট হ্যাভ এনাফ স্টোরেজ অ্যান্ড মেড মি রিয়েলি আপসেট, বিকজ বেকিংয়ের পরের পার্টটুকুই নাই। আমি বারবার অন্যদিকে তাকাচ্ছি, কাজ সামনে হচ্ছে আয়না, আমি আয়নার দিকে তাকাই, কথা হচ্ছে আমি ক্যামেরার লেন্সের দিকে তাকায় কথা বলতে একটু অনভ্যস্ত। যাই হোক, অনেক বেশি কথা না বাড়িয়ে আমি ভিডিওর মানে টিউটোরিয়ালটাতে চলে যাচ্ছি সরাসরি। বাট যতটুকু আমি দেখাতে পারবো, মানে যতটুকু আমার ফোন রেকর্ড করেছে আমি পুরোটাই দিচ্ছি। অ্যান্ড আই প্রমিস আমি বাকি যতটুকু অংশ আছে আমি পরবর্তীতে আরেকটা ভিডিও টিউটোরিয়াল যখন করব তখন পুরোটা একদম ইনট্যাক্ট কমপ্লিটেড একটা ভিডিও টিউটোরিয়াল আপলোড করবো ইনশাল্লাহ, অন্য একটা আই মেকআপের উপরে। দেন ফেস মেকআপ সেমই থাকবে, ফেস মেকআপের কোনো আমি চেঞ্জ আনবো না। বাট আই হোপ কেউ রাগ করবা না, কেউ আনসাবস্ক্রাইব করবা না। আমি সামনে আবার ভিডিও আপলোড করব সেম জিনিসটাই, মানে ফুল ফেসের সেম জিনিসটাই, জাস্ট আইজের মেকআপটা হয়তো চেঞ্জ হবে, এই যে এখনও সিগন্যাল দিতেছে অফ হয়ে যাবে। সো ইয়া, লেটস জাম্প ইনটু দ্য টিউটোরিয়াল। খুব সুন্দর লাগছে।
As you can see, I have some discoloration going on in my skin, some dark circles, dark spots all over my face, pimple marks basically. So yeah, now I'm using this eyebrow pencil, two-end eyebrow pencil. One side is brown and one side is black, so I'm using the brown side on my eyebrows to give them a little shape, because I stopped doing my eyebrows, like stopped plucking them. Right now I'm using this brown eyeshadow from Revolution Soap X palette and filling the sparse area. Not like I have any sparse area, I just wanted to fill them in and make them a little last longer. As you can see, I have a little tail, so I'm making it a little longer, the tail a little longer. I'm using this 7 foundation as my concealer because it gives a really good coverage, and it was 1 to 2 shades lighter than my actual skin tone, and using it to give it a shape, because I might have overdrawn my eyebrows. So yeah, I'm giving it a little shape, making it a little thinner, going under and over the brows, applying as my eyeshadow base. Then I'm going to blend it with a small beauty blender. This is really cute, small in size. Okay, I'm going to blend this. Yeah, blend. Right now I'm using the same palette and going for this soft brown as my transitional shade, and I'm going directly for the crease. I'm going to keep blending as I want to have a dark smoky eye, so transition shades are very important. Now I'm going to use this reddish brown shade and applying it on the outer side of my crease and also blending it properly until I get the desired shade. Make sure there is no harsh line left, because otherwise it won't look good. Taking it a little bit up towards the arch and using this dark chocolate shade on the crease as well, and on the basically on the outer side. I'm using this stick eyeshadow as my base for the black shadow. This it doesn't matter what you use, but I thought of using this. Yeah, I'm blending it with my finger. It doesn't have to be even, because my black shadow is going to cover it. I'm using this black eyeshadow on top of it and keep on patting it and patting it and blending it until the black is opaque and it is blended with the transitional shades. Again, I'm taking this brown eyeshadow and blending it with the black. Again, I'm putting some black on. Again, blending. Again, brown. Again, blending. So I'm using this golden pigment from Focular, and this is going to be bomb. Just wait. Boom, 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 boom. Just look at the pigments. Oh my god, this is magic. This is magic. Just by adding some pigments, this changed the whole look, you guys. It looked so much better in person than in camera. This is so good. Please try this. I'm removing all the fallouts with the help of wet wipes. Now I'm using Revolution Skin Kiss highlighter on the arch of my brows and also on the inner corners of my eyes. For the face makeup, I am going for a full coverage foundation from Maybelline, which is Super Stay. And I was not in the mood of color correcting, so I went for full coverage foundation to hide all my dark circles and pigmented areas. You can see nothing peeks through. Nothing peeks through this foundation. You will have a clear base to apply your foundation, like clear canvas. Don't forget to go down to your neck as well, so that it doesn't look like a mask. So right now I used some Wet n Wild foundation to conceal and highlight my face a little bit, but I somehow lost that footage as well. You know what to highlight, like your under eyes, your nose, your forehead and your chin. These places, basic places. Afterwards, I use this Focular contour stick to contour my face. I find that cream contouring is like very much glamorous when you are done with your makeup. It looks very, very gorgeous and glamorous, but it is time consuming. But when you are in a rush, like you have 20 minutes to do your makeup, it is okay to do your makeup with powder contouring. But when you're feeling too extra, you can add this cream contouring. Okay, my nephew is crying. It's screaming like hell. So for the baking, I use this Popular loose powder in the shade number 2. After baking, I lost all the footages from my phone because it was not having enough space to record all of the stuffs. But I will say what I did already. What I did afterwards: applied that W7 bronzer to the places I contoured earlier. Then I applied the blush from Revolution Sugar and Spice palette, and afterwards I used the same highlighter from Revolution, which is Skin Kiss, on the highlighting zones of my face. For my waterline, I used some kajal and applied some brown eyeshadows to smudge that out. For the lips, I used Key West lipstick in the shade 4 and Jordana lipstick in the shade Milano. That completes the look. I hope you guys love this tutorial. I promise that I will do an in-depth tutorial on how I do my face makeup glamorously in the next tutorial. Till then, stay beautiful and stay healthy. And also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and hit the bell icon so that you can get notified whenever I upload a new video. Hit the like button if you like this video. Thank you.